Welcome back to my channel today, guys. I'm working on this monocoque again. So this is the new side, or not the new side, but the good side. You can see this rib right here that runs up through here. This is what I have to change on the other side. So I made the mistake. I didn't pay close enough attention to. I ran it up through here somewhere. So what I've done in order to get the pitch of the window correct on the other side, or very close to it at least, I've got this template that I've made. So I've got marks on here as to where everything goes, but that's pretty much what I've got. So that's going to lay out the location on the other side. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to flip it over the other way, which will give it to me, the correct angles and everything on the other side. So here's the other side. This is that rib that I was talking about that I removed. So it's got to be a little closer over this way. So I already cut that out, and that'll be no big deal for me to fix. So here is the pattern that I made from the other side. So I'm going to mark here. That gives me my height. So it's going to be somewhere right there in that vicinity. So what that's going to do is that's going to allow me to take this other piece here. Sorry about my phone work here, guys. It's hard to do because I don't have a tripod. I just have myself doing this channel. So anyhow, that's going to locate this piece up here because that pattern is going to give me something to, base everything off of. And you see I've got to build up a little bit of height here all the way around it, which I knew I was going to have to do that. I did that on purpose because I didn't want to make it too tall. But anyhow, so that piece going right up through here is what that window is going to sit on. The edge of it here will sit on that, and then that'll get my angle set up, going back and forth through here. So once I get that set up, then I'm going to make some more patterns and stuff off of the other side, and then I'm going to flip it, to make sure that I have everything correct in this direction. Once I get everything all set up to where I want it, I'll probably just use some metal tape, maybe some hot glue, just to fix that piece up there to get it where I want. And then I'll probably wind up taking some other measurements from the other side, from like this point to the window in a couple different locations. I'll find some stuff in here that I can measure off of that's going to be the same on the other side. So that's where I'm at as of right now. I'll keep you posted as I'm going along. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I've been working on this. I got it all set up on here. I used my tool of choice, which lately has been this aluminum tape. Just usually works pretty good for me. It's easy to form, and it kind of holds things somewhat in place. But you can see kind of what I got going on here. Got everything leveled up as close as I can get it. Kind of look at the other side and see. But been spending a little time trying to line it up, pulling a lot of measurements here and there, and you see it lines up pretty much with the other one there for the most part. I'm sure there's going to be some adjustment I'm going to have to make on it. Looking at it kind of like from this view, you can kind of see the angle of it as compared to the other side. So that's where I'm at with it so far. I think I'm going to go ahead and throw some fiberglass on this because it's not very stable. It moves really easy with this aluminum tape on here. So I want to put something in here that is going to firm it up a little bit. That way I can work on it and do my body work and everything on it. You can see I went ahead and put this new rib back in here. It lines into place with this rib. So yeah, it's coming along. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, start doing some body work, and I'll show you then. All right, guys, so I got a couple coats of fiberglass on this. As you can see, I got some bubbles and stuff in here, though. So I can't seem to get those to lay flat for me. So once it dries, I'll probably wind up grinding those out and then redoing the fiberglass just in this corner here. Anywhere else where there's big air bubble pocket, you know, anything like that. So got some more of them up here I'll have to work on. But main thing is I'm just trying to get it glued to it so it's sturdy. That way I can, you know, start working with it without having to worry about it moving on me. So that's my update for today. Hope you keep on watching, and thanks for watching the channel. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.